Welcome back. If you have a pet, if you have a dog, you're in luck because you always have trouble trying to find the perfect leash. Maybe one's too long, maybe it's too short. Maybe we've got different leashes for different things. Yoshi here has come up with a leash that covers all the bases. Yoshi, is called the Snap Leash.
Correct. It's a Snap Leash.
So show us the Snap Leash and how it works and what you can do with it.
Do the whole demo here because it's very interesting. And this is Sky.
Yes, Sky's here, and Sky is 100+ pounds. He's a big boy.
Sky's my American Bulldog. So basically, this is the Snap Leash, and what's interesting is you'll notice it has two swivel hooks. Where one normally has a swivel hook on one end and then the handle on the other. Correct, But we've got these grommets that are placed throughout the leash. And so this top grommet actually creates your handle. So now you can have a standard leash as you go out for a walk.
Okay.
But let's say you get to a park bench, you're wanting to sit down and relax. You could wrap this around a tree or pole of different sizes and secure your pup. So you don't have to pull your pup. Something that I like to do, and I don't recommend it if you're
dog as big as Sky.
Dog as big as Sky.
And you're a small person.
And you're a small
but you can handle this.
I like to go running hands-free. I hate carrying stuff.
Right,
so I put it around my waist. A lot of my friends will do the hands-free running. And then one last cool little thing about it. I mean, it actually does like 8 different things, and I won't bore you with all of them. But a lot of my friends also do what's called the traffic handle, where they create one handle down here.
Yeah, we've seen those little...
And then one up here. And you can buy leashes that have a built-in traffic handle, or you can simply just snap it in.
And of course, you have a smaller version here. So the little dogs like mine, who's only about 4.5 pounds, she would take this one.
Exactly.
Perfect.
And you said your wife a lot of times just likes to double it up sometimes.
Exactly.
To make it, keep them a little bit closer. And
so my wife, because she likes a shorter distance, she'll do it like that. And get a nice good hold on Sky.
What made you come up with this? I mean, were you just finding yourself like, gosh, this isn't working, that's not working? And
well, believe it or not, after I graduated from, I went to Brighton. And after I graduated from Brighton, I moved to New York City to work a little bit. And I was standing on the corner of 94th and Amsterdam and looking across the street, waiting for the light to change. And I saw this lady with a big golden retriever trying to tie her dog outside of Starbucks, but in a knot, so she could go in and get her breakfast and come out. But the dog was winning the battle. I was thinking, there's got to be an easier way. And then right there, the concept came to me like similar to a belt where we have different lengths depending on how.
That's exactly what this is. It's a belt.
So where can people get one of these?
So snapleash.com is our website. We're also on Amazon.
And you're on the Walmart competition.
And we're on the Walmart competition, yes.
So if we vote for you, we can get you in Walmart.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, we are a Utah company trying to get in the Walmart's competition.
Okay, we'll put that on our website and of course on the Facebook page so you can vote for Yoshi here.
Yes, sure. Thank you. Thanks for coming in.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Sky was so obedient. We love it.
He's a good boy.
Okay.
All right, here's a look at what we're working on for tomorrow morning.
On Good Morning Utah, the new DVDs coming out for your family to enjoy. So, of course, Tony Toscano will be with us. So, make sure you join Glenn and I then.
And on Good Things Utah, a local blogger that won a national competition. She's going to share her tips, decorating tips, with all of us.
And on ABC4 Utah Midday, have you heard of intuitive eating? The idea is pretty popular right now. We're going to talk about the pros and the cons. That's coming tomorrow morning right here for ABC4 Utah Midday at 11.
All right. Hey, thanks for joining us. We hope you have a great day. We'll see you back here tomorrow at 11.